baby, who you watching? Matarada on the cam. So we're heading to Game Cycle, and I think by now they should probably have their new cases up for their singles. So I wanted to go check it out and browse to see what new singles they have in their new glass cases. And I thought it'd be cool while we're there to hit the Pokemon vending machine. So I just took out some cash. Now I got to turn that cash into quarters, and then we'll be able to start ripping some quarters through the slots and see what we get. And I have gotten some crazy cards out of there. Like I got a Galarian Articuno one time that was sick, like 2 GX full arts. So they do, they probably have like one of the best like vending machines. Like it's a little quarter one, so don't be expecting like the big one with the packs in it. You know, it be hidden, and I think it's like only 50 cents for a turn. So you know, $5 will get you a decent amount of tries to get some good things, and so far I haven't missed on it yet. We on the bike and we getting it. We got the Mimikyu keychain that gives you 5+ horsepower. You see that? You feel that? That's the Mimikyu keychain. Ooh, we got a spot right up on the front. All right, I'm excited for this. Ah, oh, dang. On-scene investigation engaged. Yeah, I heard you guys were just getting your case, so I wanted to check it out. Dang, you guys got a bunch of ETBs. Ooh. Let's see if they got any more boxes. I went and got one of these Ionos too. Oh, good. Still want that Mewtwo V Union and that Greninja. Definitely have to grab those.
We got all of our good singles are going to be over here.
The better ones are over here? I'm just trying to see if I got some chase cards over here that I've been looking for.
I think he's putting most of the higher stuff right here. Gorgeous.
Yeah, I want that Iono. I've been collecting those. Yeah, you guys definitely got some bangers. What is this? This thing looks crazy.
Yeah. It's a Japanese Eevee, basically. It's a promo card. You can't really play with it or anything. Granted, not like any of us actually play with these expensive cards. I hope.
Yeah. Hey, some people do it just to flex.
I'm about to buy that Mew today. I think he's cute.
Which one is it? Where I can't see it.
He's
oh, that one. Yeah.
He's cute. I'm debating whether that one or the shiny Mew. But I think
there's one on a Crown Zenith that's like, I don't know if it went up since, but it's like $10, and I think it looks like one of the best cards.
My favorite one is Bubble Mew, but I'll never spend that money on it.
Oh yeah.
I got one at Champion. I almost bought it yesterday, and I was like,
yeah, I've seen it.
Dude, I had a guy come in here last week, and I offered him like $210. He's like, that's $70 more than Champion offered me. I was like, are you serious? He's like, no, I'm not even playing you. Like, I swear on everything.
Yeah, man.
That's crazy though. This is most of the stuff I collect. Is like the older stuff.
Yeah, I like some of the. I like that Pichu right there. That Pichu's fire.
That Dark Charizard.
Yeah. There's some fire cards.
I'm not sure why that Charizard's down here, because that's from XY. It's like,
yeah.
But whatever.
Yeah, because I came in here, these weren't here, and then the guy was like, yeah, they'll be here Friday. So I was like, yeah, I'll definitely have to make it in and check them out.
He was here until like 2 in the morning last night, putting all the Pokemon in the cases.
Ooh, got the Rayquaza in there.
Yeah, that's sexy. I've been staring at that for a couple weeks. A lot of these have been behind the desk that no one's been able to even look at.
Yeah, because oh, there's that Mew. That's the one I'm talking about right there. That $20 one.
The shiny Mew.
Yeah, or well, the $20 one to the where she's sleeping in the grass.
Oh yeah, dude, that one's. Yeah, I might get that one.
Dude, it's cheap and I think it's one of the best ones.
I'm literally collecting singles just for my kids because like they're too young and they want to collect them. I'm like, well, how about I collect them for you? Because you'll destroy them. And then when you get a little older, I'll give you the trade binders.
Geez, so much stuff in here. I can't decide.
My daughter's 5, dude. I can't trust her with these. My 10-year-old, he has his own stuff. Him I can trust. My daughter, I can't. She'll destroy him, dude.
No, it's just the regular one. That one right there is the one I was talking about. What's that?
Oh, I've never seen it.
That Ho-Oh is sick too. There's so many sleepers in this case. This is Japanese.
Yeah.
The English version is so expensive.
Oh, that means pretty badass.
I have every single one of this guy's cards except for the English one of this. Crazy.
Yeah, that means pretty sweet.
Yeah, I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, the car is. See, I collect
Yeah,
cars.
that
I have like a
I collected too. Yeah, this is their arcade. Like, I don't know if it's been a while since I showed off their arcade, but I seen they got like new stuff. Like they got the Metallica one. That's pretty fire. Super Mario. They got all kinds of fire stuff back here. Burger Time. What you know about Burger Time? Ooh, the Simpsons game. That's a fun one. South Park. I did a live stream in here actually. If you guys remember, I did. Ooh, they got more stuff back here. Ooh, a motorcycle racing game. That's some real big meta right there. Nice. Alright, so let's get some quarters. Alrighty. So, yeah, it's been a while since we've done this, but you definitely can get some fire cards out of here. And like I said, it's 50 cents. So, let's see. Got a Horsey and an Azelf. Not bad. Not bad. Let's try the right side. Alright. Ooh. A Hoopa. We got a Hoopa and a Combuskin. So far, just some reverses. Ooh. Alright, we got the Ferrothorn and a Copperjaw. Let's load 2 of these up. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, we got something. We got a white Kyurem. I told you can get hits out of these. That is a sick card. White Kyurem. And we got a Parasect. And that's a promo. Alright, we got a Palossand and a Horaxis. Ooh, killing me. So far, the right side's been hitting. Can't see no infractions with that. Ghastly and a Spinnerack. Perugly and a Zorak. Alright, so I think we got like $1 left. So that gives us 2 more chances. Peturant, and that's a promo. That is a promo. That's a promo. It's a Cosmos pattern. Alright. So we got the last ones. Horaxis and a Timber. Not bad. Ooh, on the last one. So we got another Halucha and a Dracovish. Not bad. Not bad. Ooh, getting too old to be getting on the ground like that. Dude, that white Kyurem is so sick. Alright, so we got a Legends Maker Aerodactyl. Yo, this card's pretty sick. This card's got like, it's got like some food or something on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's a scratch or something right here on the corner. But I like this card. It's a cool card. Never seen it before. This one's pretty damaged. But I love this Pikachu. It's so nice. Yeah, pretty damaged. See if I can make a trade for this. Whenever you have a chance, I want to see if I can. Would you be down to trade for something for this, or a couple things?
Give me 1 second.
All right, take your time. All right, so we're gonna work out a trade for this Aerodactyl. It's pretty sick. I'll have to pass on these because they're just too damaged. But if I come back and this Delta species is still there, I might still pick it up. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm interested in these. These ones just are a little too damaged for me. But I do like this one. Hold on, I got a bunch of stuff in here. Would you be possibly trade for this one?
How much is that worth?
It is going for, I have it right here. Give me a second. It's like 30 something.
On TCG?
Well, this takes like everything. Like this. I have it right here. So 36, and it has like all the cells right here. So.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Says near mint for 48, but anywhere from like 30, 36 to 48.
So on PCG,
Most recent sell I got is 37.57.
yeah, that's fine.
All right.
You're good, dude.
So we just doing straight trade?
Yeah.
Okay, that works. I'm happy with it. All right, so straight trade for the Snorlax VMAX and the Aerodactyl. So happy about that. Now, actually, we'll just go ahead and put this in while we're here. Where's the Aerodactyl section? Right here. Nice. I like that one. That's a cool art right there. Alrighty, I think that's all I need for today.
Alright, buddy, be safe, okay?
Alright, will do.
Sorry about everything going on.
No, man, you guys have been busy. Alright, I'll see you another time.
Alright, dude, take it easy.
Will do. Not bad, not bad. So we went up in the game cycle. We hit the vending machine. We got two promos, a GX and just like a regular other promo, and we also got a V card, and then we did a 6 trade for an Aerodactyl to put in the Aerodactyl collection, but unfortunately we had to say goodbye to the Snorlax. I really like that card, but I like Aerodactyl better. He's my OG original favorite Pokemon. So yeah, not bad at all. Overall, a 10 out of 10 experience. The new glass cases look nice, man. Got everything spread out. Even for the packs, they got the pack organizers and stuff, and their packs used to be like scattered everywhere in that one case that was up by the cash register, and then now they're all got a nice little spread, like a charcuterie board. Not bad. A charcuterie board of banger packs.